Hi guys, Elledani here, and I am a part of another makeup collab. Today's challenge was to create a black halo eye. This was yet again put together by Jasmine Hewitt. Thank you so much, Jasmine, for putting these together for us, and thank you for letting me be a part of it. Make sure you check out Jasmine's channel. It's linked down below. She has a lot of really great makeup videos, so don't miss out on those. There is also a link to the playlist for all of the other artists in the makeup collab, so after you watch this video, make sure you check out those too. Today, I did a black halo eye with greenish like gold in the center, and then I did black lips with that green gold on the bottom. So let's get into the look. So my base is already done. I laid down BB cream, contour, highlight. I did prep my eyelids with concealer. This gorgeous greenish glow is Lucky Star from the ABH palette. This is my favorite highlighting palette. It's honestly the best. And today for this look, I'm going to use the Morphe Boss 35M palette. This was actually my first Morphe palette. I'm going to go into that deep black. And I'm going to lay that in my crease and all the way around. Blend the edges all the way around with this smaller brush. Go back in with concealer and just do the center. I'm going to do highlighter, all framing the edge. That is pretty much it. The black and green halo eye with the black and kind of gold tinted lip. Make sure you check out Jasmine's channel and make sure you check out the playlist of all these amazing artists that took part in this collaboration. I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with. It is always so cool to see how each individual artist kind of takes the theme and runs with it and makes it their own. So definitely make sure you check those out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell to make sure you don't miss a thing, and I will see you guys next time.